Okay, the first question, like what will be the typical day start and day-to-day activities for an SAP MM consultant. So May 30, I'm going to release one video about the roles of a support consultant. Okay, that is going to have the day-to-day activities, okay, of a support consultant. And as MM consultant, see the day-to-day activities will be changing based on the project type, what kind of project you are working. Okay, let me tell in a brief way. So like the support video you're going to get on May 30th. So similar way, I will plan for implementation, rollout, or any kind of enhancement project. So definitely I will plan for individual videos. So you can watch that video to learn more details about a support consultant day-to-day activities. Okay, so if you see that activities wise, if you are in a support project, your main activities will be tracking of your tickets, the open tickets verification, what are the tickets are assigned to you, and what are the SLAs of the tickets. Okay, you need to verify whether service level agreement based on SLA, which tickets is going to breach first, means which has a less time to resolve it. So you should plan your tickets in that way. So which are the tickets are going to finish, like you're going to complete within 2 days or 1 day, you have to prioritize and finish that ticket first. And if you have a time for 4 days or 3 days, you can give the second priority or third priority. So, and also the support consultant needs to interact with the ABAP for any change requests, and other consultants. If you have any integration related issues, you need to interact with those people. Okay, and if you see that if there is a requirement to give a training, you have to prepare the training materials. And if you need a requirement, if you need to have a more discussion about the respective ticket, then you should talk to user and fix the time and schedule a meeting. Okay, some 30 minutes or 40 minutes meeting, you just schedule with the user and understand the requirement, and any questions if you have, you can ask directly in the meeting. So the support consultant, mostly the roles will be in that way. An implementation consultant based on the phase, in which phase you are in. Okay, for example, if you are in business blueprint phase, the most of the work will be discussing with core team members and getting clarifications and updating the documents. Okay, updating the blueprint document and updating the presentations. Okay, are you if you are preparing any Visio flow, you have to update the flows based on the understanding. Okay, and KDS, key data structure. So these kind of terms, if you are not much aware about this, please write an email to me. So you are using some words like KDS and business blueprint. Can you provide more details? Then definitely I will reply accordingly. So the implementation consultant based on the phase. Okay, so the day-to-day activities will be, if you are in realization phase, mostly you will do the configuration, you will do the testing, you will write the functional specifications, and you discuss with other modules and ABAP. Okay, so the function specification you have to release to ABAP, and if they are asking any questions, you need to answer. So those are the typical day-to-day activities in an implementation, in a support. In implementation, like I mentioned, based on the phase, if you are in a final preparation, you will be mostly busy with authorizations. Okay, user authorizations related and training materials preparation. If the task of end user manual preparation is given to you, then you have to prepare that. Okay, and the cutover programs, the programs you need to verify again, and the data you have to verify all the data is properly given by the business or not. So based on each phase, if you watch my SAP methodology video, which I uploaded few weeks back, that will give you more clarity about the roles and responsibilities of a consultant in an implementation project. So based on the project, the activities will be different. For support project, like I mentioned, it will be more or less similar. Tracking of tickets and talking to users and verifying your open tickets and which ticket is going to breach first. Take that ticket as a more priority and analyze the ticket. If you need any information from the business, just send an email or reply in your tool. Please provide the information and put the status as a waiting for user information. Like that, you can put the status so that SLA will not run. So these are the typical day-to-day activities.